In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight specific parts of an image directly within Microsoft Word. This is a great skill to have when you need to emphasize certain details in your documents, especially when you're crafting presentations, reports, or any visual material. So let's dive right in. First, you want to ensure you have your Microsoft Word file open and ready. If you have an image that you're planning to work on, make sure it's already inserted into your document. Having everything set before starting makes the process smoother and saves you time. Now, once you're in your Word document, you'll want to head over to the Insert tab, which you'll find at the top of the screen. Click on it and you'll see a variety of options pop up. Here you'll see an option called Shapes. Go ahead and click on Shapes. A menu will drop down, showcasing different shape options you can choose from. For our purposes today, let's keep it straightforward and select a rectangle shape. This shape works particularly well because it's simple and doesn't detract attention from the part of the image you're trying to highlight. Once you've chosen the rectangle, you'll need to adjust it. Click and drag the shape so that it covers the section of your image you want to highlight. Don't worry if it's not perfect on your first try. You can always resize or reposition it until it fits just right over the area of interest. If you're feeling creative, you can even try changing the color of the shape. This can be done easily with Word's color options to ensure it matches your document's theme or stands out as much as you need it to. After your shape is properly placed over your image, the next step is to add a bit of transparency. This will let the area beneath show through, subtly emphasizing the selected region without overwhelming it. To do this, right-click on the shape. A contextual menu will appear, giving you the opportunity to select Format Auto Shape. Once inside this menu, look for the transparency settings. Adjust the transparency level according to your preferences. The goal here is to balance the visibility of the highlighted section with the rest of the image so it draws attention without obscuring details. And that's it. You're done. Your image now has the highlighted area that you intended, enhancing its effectiveness in your document. This simple yet powerful technique can make a big difference in how your content is perceived, leading to more engaging and informative documents. Remember, practice makes perfect. As you get more comfortable using this tool, you'll be able to apply it in all sorts of creative ways to enhance your presentations and reports. So don't hesitate to experiment with different shapes, colors, and transparency levels to find what works best for your needs. Thanks for watching and happy editing.